Hello, everyone. Welcome to another video. Today we will show what file extension formats are supported in DSP Pro Controller. We can use many software to create 2D and 3D designs. Okay, let's start the video. First of all, we need to connect a USB or pen drive with the β-DSP Pro Controller. Let's check the supported file. First of all, we will check the dspf file. Upload the dspf file from USB. Great, it works perfectly. We will check the mmg file. Upload it. It works also. Check the nc file. Great, it works too. Check the PDF file. It shows file type errors. β-DSP Pro doesn't support PDF files. Thanks for watching this video.